Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, you'll be performing a conditional formatting in Excel. In Microsoft Excel, you can use conditional formatting for data visualization. You have to specify formatting for a cell range based on the content of the cell range. The cells that will meet the specified condition will be formatted as you have defined. Now, for this cell now, we want any figure greater than or equal to 750 should be in green. Then any data between the range of 500 to 700 should be in yellow. Then any data below 500 should be in red. We can do this using the conditional formatting. First, we need to select the range of cells. Then we click on conditional formatting. Highlight cell rows. First, we are going for the greater than. So click on greater than. So we want it to be greater than 750. So for greater than 750, we want it to be in green color. Okay. Can you see that 900 is greater than 750 and 890 is also greater than 750? So that's the reason why they are filled with green color. The second condition is that between 500 to 700 should be in yellow. So select the range, go to conditional formatting, then between. So 500 to 700. So we want it to be in yellow. Custom format. You go to fill, yellow. Okay. Then the third condition is that if it is below 500, it should be in red. So go to conditional formatting, then less than 500 should be in red. Okay. Can you see that now? We can as well clear the conditional formatting by selecting the range, then you go to conditional formatting, then clear rules. So clear rules from selected cells. Can you see that? Another part of this tutorial is the top and bottom rows. Now let's say for this data set now, we want the top 5 to be in green, then the bottom 5 should be in red. We need to select the range of cell, then we go to conditional formatting, then the top and bottom rows. So we want the top 5 item. So the top 5 items should be in green. Okay. Why the bottom 5 should be in red? Can you see that now? Let's say for this range of cells, we want the top 5% to be in green, then the bottom 5% should be in red. You select the range of cells, go to conditional formatting, then top. Can you see that now? So change it to 5. So we want it to be in green. Then bottom 5% to be in red. Can you see that now? Let's say we need the data that is above the average in this cell and the data that is below the average in this cell. Firstly, we select the range of cell, go to conditional formatting, Go to top bottom rows, then above average. Can you see? So if it is above average, want green. Then below average, want red. Can you see that? The last part of this tutorial is the icon set. We can use the icon set to visualize numerical differences. We have the directional icon set type, the shapes icon set type, the indicators icon set type, and the ratings icon set type. Now, to perform the directional icon set type or the arrows, so we need to select the range of cells. Then we go to conditional formatting. Can you see? There's an icon set here. So click on directional icon set. To perform the rating icon set, you need to select the range of value. Here we are performing the 5 rating. The 5 rating icon set. So go to conditional formatting, then icon set. You can see we have the 3 stars, the 3 stars rating. You can see 4 ratings. Here we are clicking on the 5 ratings. You can see. Can you see that?